What do you got there, Chris? A monster?
Hey, it might not be a kingfish. Don't fuck around. Just reel.
I'm fucking around.
It could be a cobia.
Don't lift it up. Just keep reeling.
Follow your fish.
Don't lift it up.
If I follow my fish, I gotta go down.
Turn the handle.
There's maintenance to it.
Go clockwise. Don't tighten that drag.
Don't touch the drag.
Hey, I don't come to
Don't
your
lift
house
it up.
to
Just
raise your
keep turning.
furniture.
Just keep turning. Don't touch the line.
Put this hand here.
And just
Reel. Let's
just keep reeling. Don't stop.
Probably gonna be a big cobia, so just relax. Keep turning the handle.
Oh, he's got a big cobia.
You got something big on here. Just stop posing and turn the handle.
Turn it.
Keep the
My
tip
mama
up.
could
And then
turn it
that
faster than
once
that.
in a
Come
while.
on.
Keep the tip up.
Oh yeah.
Guys, hold off. If you're not in the water,
Don't get the-
drop it in.
Don't shake the tip around. Keep it steady.
If you're not in the water, leave it out of the water till he gets his fish in. You won't have any excuse to him missing there. Michael, come here. Come over here, Michael, please.
All right, stay calm. Nicely done. Nicely done. Under. Little dancing. Little dancing. Okay. Oh, this is a fish. This is a fish. Yeah, stay up.
See how that works?
Yeah. Right.
All right, a little showboating here. Let me see the face.
Get out of my face.
Here it comes. Here it comes. It's coming this way. Walk this way.
Come on, Bo. You gotta come. You gotta come. You gotta come.
I'm coming.
Watch out, Jerry. Move out of the way.
Watch out. Move. Move. Move.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Move.
Oh!
Holy shit.
Holy!
Holy fuck. Somebody's gonna get hurt.
Holy shit.
Wow!
It's got its own zip code. Yours. It's got its own zip code.
Oh man! He doesn't even fit in the box.
Look at the size of that.
Found the father.
Woo!
Hi, Daddy.
That's the grand.